Ashmitha. This is one of the science experiment. I have one bottle and I poured some water in, and there's a hole, and I have a cup and a straw and two balloons. So what I did was I put in my straw in and I put it near the cup. Now I blow the balloon. Make sure you don't do it so big, and you twist it now. Now you do is just make the do this and now
Wow, it's working. Very nice.
wow! Did you see this water coming out of the straw? Did you enjoy this science experiment? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.